Welcome to this tutorial on how to find the percent decrease between two numbers. In this video, we'll show you how to find the difference between two numbers and then how to turn that difference into a percentage. If your percentage is negative, then there is a percent decrease between the two numbers. To start, let's write down the formula to find the percentage decrease between two values. First, we want to subtract our final value minus our starting value. Next, divide by the absolute value of the starting value. The absolute value is the distance between 0 and that number on a number line. Lastly, multiply by 100 to turn that amount into a percentage. If our answer is positive, then there was an increase. If our answer is negative, then there was a decrease. For this video, we will be focusing on percent decreases. Now, let's do some examples. We'll follow this formula for finding the percent decrease between two numbers. For our first example, let's find the percentage decrease between 20 and 15. Before we do any math, let's replace the starting and final values in our formula. We will have 15 minus 20 over the absolute value of 20 times 100. Next, let's rewrite the formula after performing each step until we have our answer. First, subtract 15 minus 20 to get negative 5. That goes over the absolute value of 20, which is 20, times 100. Next, let's do negative 5 divided by 20 to get negative 0.25 times 100. Lastly, negative 0.25 times 100 is negative 25. This answer is negative, so our percentage decrease is 25%. For our next example, let's find the percentage decrease between 10 and 2. After writing the formula with our numbers, we get 2 minus 10 over the absolute value of 10 times 100. 2 minus 10 is negative 8, and that goes over the absolute value of 10, which is 10, times 100. Negative 8 divided by 10 is negative 0.8 times 100. Negative 0.8 times 100 is negative 80. This answer is negative, so our percentage decrease is 80%. Now that you understand how to find the percentage decrease between two numbers, let's head over to CalculatorSoup.com's percentage decrease calculator. The percentage decrease calculator will find the percentage decrease between two numbers and show you step by step how to get the answer. Let's do one more example. Let's find the percentage decrease between 30 and 21. Press the calculate button to view the steps to get the answer below. Since 30 is the starting value and 21 is the final value, the formula is rewritten as 21 minus 30 divided by the absolute value of 30 times 100. For the first step, we subtract 21 minus 30, which is negative 9, over the absolute value of 30, which is 30, times 100. Next, negative 9 divided by 30 is negative 0.3 times 100. Lastly, negative 0.3 times 100 is negative 30, so our percentage decrease is 30%. Now you know how to find the percentage decrease between two numbers. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.